Hello, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. What is unicorn? We people have some ideas about unicorn. Some have that the unicorns are real and some have they are not real. Yes, so in this video we are going to see about unicorn. Let's move to the video. Is unicorn real or not? No, the unicorns are not a real animal. It is a mythological animal resembling a horse or a goat with a single horn on its forehead. The unicorn appeared in an earlier artwork and it is also referred to be the Asian myths of India and China. What is unicorn? A unicorn is a legendary creature that is known to be possess magical abilities. Though in modern days this creature is thought to be nothing more than a myth. Ancient cultures wrote of it as a real animal. In fact, it was included in many natural history books of time. The most popular description of unicorn are known to be the Greek and European accounts of mythology, thought that have recorded throughout the world that they are a real accounts. Do you think the unicorns will be only one or many types? Yes, the unicorns are in many types. The people of some nations has created the unicorn for their necessary and for their look. This unicorn is called as Asian unicorn and this unicorn is known as African unicorn. This is South American unicorn and Greek and European unicorn. History of unicorn. The first mention of the unicorn comes from a Greek writer Chrysias. They are mentioned in his work untitled Indica. He describes the unicorn as being a breed of wild ass that was inscribed fast and lighter on its feet. Its features are, of course, a horn that was 40 to 28 inches in the length that grew from the center of its head. Unlike the later tales of unicorn, however, tells these horns would be white, red or black instead of white color. That is characteristic of the modern day understanding of unicorns. Chrysias supposedly got his information from the time of Persia. Aristotle also gives a similar description of two such beasts comes from a same region, the Orthorex and the Indian asses. It thought that there were many other who draw their description of unicorn from this area as well as. In fact, the carving of unicorns have been found on the sculptures of Asian capital of Persepolis. There is also an account of power of unicorns that was found by Comus Indicoppius, a merchant from Alexandria, that shed many insights on the earlier India. While visiting the king of Ethiopia, the king saw four brass statues that clothed in unicorn and wrote an account of what he learned. He claimed that all the strength of the unicorn could be found in the horn. It was supposedly able to absorb all the impact with its horn and escape safely. When did the picture of unicorn is created? The image of the unicorn is created during medieval ages. The image of the unicorn drew from the fantasy image that we recognize a creature by today. This is primarily due to the adaptation of story by Christian Church. The Claiming of the creature by a church allowed many artists to portray it with a wide variety of artwork because there were impasses of region during this time period. The enables artists to work with mythology without being prophesized by church. The unicorns was also seen in the new lights in mythology. The beast was still seen largely and completely with few expectation. That's all guys. I hope you learned many things about unicorn and cleared your doubt. Like the video, comment about your expectation of unicorn and share to your friends and subscribe and click the bell icon near it to get more notification from our Let's Talk channel. Thanks for watching.